In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your tailgate handle on your Chevy Colorado. It's located on your tailgate. Using a Phillips screwdriver, you're going to take off these 4 screws after you put your tailgate down. Set the screws aside and lift up this panel. I'm going to remove the rods from these plastic retaining clips. To do that, you're going to have to get a flathead screwdriver in there. And ours is a little rusty. And unhook it. So you got to take this plastic piece and push it that way. And then this is able to come out. Remove the last clip. Now we're going to remove these 3 bolts. I'm using a 10mm socket. I'm going to actually leave that one in, a couple of threads, so this doesn't fall on the ground. Now I'm going to remove the lock cylinder. Just pull that right out, set it aside, and the last bolt. I have a hand on it underneath. Remove both bolts. I'm going to pull it down and out. It's a little tricky getting it in, so be patient. You're going to want to go up and get this lip up first. After you get past that point, you're going to open the handle up as if you're opening the tailgate. And when you do that, you're going to move your rod over and that piece, this piece right here. And then you're going to get it up past here. You're going to see this gasket has those ears just like the old one. You're going to slide it in over here, and then slide it over. And that's going to hold it in place. I would keep a hand on it anyways and just get a bolt started. I'm going to put this other bolt in, make sure my rods are in the right places. I'm going to snug those 2 up. Now we're going to install our cylinder. It should just drop right in. Put your bolt in. Now that you've installed that, I'm going to snug that up a little. And we're going to start putting our rods in. Be careful with these clips because they can break. Obviously this one's been replaced. If yours breaks, you're going to have to replace it. Make sure everything's secured. And now you're going to try it out. I usually do put some lubricant on all the moving parts and make sure that the new part doesn't get ruined by rusty parts. Let's test it before we put our cover back on. That's working well. So now let's put our cover on. Place it on top. Get your screws started. Now you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.